Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to split data to multiple rows in Microsoft Excel like this. So guys, if you have some big data, like this, you can see this is a very long line and it will not appear completely, and also once you try to print, so it will not able to print complete this data. So just guys, you have to select some rows like this, including this data row, and select some more extra rows. Now in this home tab, you will see this option fill. Click this drop down and here click on justify. Now click anyway. So this way you can split your data in multiple rows in just one click. Now you try to print. So you can print whole data. So thanks for watching. This is the way you can add multiple, you can split data to multiple rows. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.